Just finished up Tiger Run, big buck too. We both made it, I think, 3 laps. Jake hurt his toe, I hit a tree. Alright, it's Saturday morning and we are loading up to hit the road and head to South Carolina for big buck too. All packed up and ready.
David Riley, Pat Rica, Frank Toyo, Steve Dorfer, Sean Gullion, also Jonathan Allen.
How was it? Woo. What'd you get? 2 or 3 laps? Woo. I got 3. All right, you rolling?
I'm rolling.
All right.
Just finished up.
Halfway through the 2nd lap, pinned my foot between a rock or a log or something in my bike, and like I've never broken a toe, so I don't know what it feels like, but I'm thinking very high likelihood of a broken toe. So let's get a little peek.
Hopefully
see.
not.
Looks a little funky under there.
Yeah, it does. When did you do that? What lap?
Halfway through the 2nd.
2nd lap.
Oh! 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 Look at that thing.
Fine.
Oh, it's way better than I thought. I thought it was going to be all crossed over this thing.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, we're good.
Harden up.
That'll be fine.
Just finished up Tiger Run, big buck too. We both made it, I think, 3 laps. Jake hurt his toe, I hit a tree, but we survived it. And we had a lot of fun.
Toasty.